how to deactivate your Twitter account on iPhone or Android. So what you have to do firstly in screen there, once you're over here, what you have to do is click on the icon on top, your name icon. Once you click on that, you have to scroll down to the issue setting and privacy. Once you click on that, what you have to do is scroll down. Now from here, what you have to do is click on your account. And once you click on that, you should have the option right here. It should be the photo where it said deactivate your account. Then from here, you're just going to scroll down, click on deactivate. Now you're just going to put in your password. Once you put in your password, what you have to do is just deactivate your account. And once you click on yes, deactivate, your account will be deactivated. Make sure in the next 30 days, you do not come back here and log in, or your account is not going to be deleted. If you are delete your account, you have to keep it deactivated for the next 30 days. It is for their help. And if you like, subscribe, I'll leave a comment down below in the description if you're asking any help. And I will get back to y'all as fast as I can.